holding back. I have a treat. Come on.
Come on in.
I can't open the door. My hands are full. I got a treat for you, Conan Bella. Whoa, go. Hey! Ah, look at that! Whoa, dear, look at this. Here, hold that and get the treats out. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bender wasn't happy. Oh, hello! Hello! Look at that. Come on, I brought you a treat. Look at this. Look, I haven't seen you in months. Huh? What? Oh, sorry, there's the treats. Do you know they cost like $8? And there's your treat, Tim. Timmy? There's your treat.
Do you want to record them doing this?
Yes. Come on. Come on, sit. Come on.
Okay, Janice. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Oh dear, look at that. How long will that keep them busy?
20 minutes.